we want to determine the least common multiple, or LCM, of each pair of numbers, which means we want to find the smallest number that is a multiple of both 16 and 18, and the smallest number that is a multiple of 72 and 54. There are two main ways of determining the LCM. One way is to list multiples of each number, and then from the list determine the smallest number that is common in both lists. And the other method is to build the LCM from the prime factorization. Using the prime factorization, if we multiply the unique prime factors of each number raised to the power that is the most number of times that prime factor occurs in either list, will give us the LCM. In this video, we'll use the prime factorization method to determine the LCM. So we'll start by determining the prime factorization of 16 and 18. So the prime factorization of 16 consists of 4 factors of 2, and then for 18, the prime factorization will be 2 times 3 times 3. Let's go ahead and list these. Now, to build the LCM of 16 and 18, it must contain factors of 2 and factors of 3. These are the unique prime factors from both lists. But now we have to raise these factors to the power that would be the most number of times the factor occurs in either list. So notice that 2 occurs 4 times in the prime factorization of 16 and 1 time in the prime factorization of 18. So the most number of times it occurs in either list is 4 times, so 2 to the 4th power has to be in the least common multiple of these two numbers. Let's go ahead and highlight those. And then notice that 3 occurs 0 times in 16, but twice in 18. So we must have 2 factors of 3 in the LCM, or 3 to the 2nd power. This product will be the LCM of 16 and 18. 2 to the 4th is 16, 3 to the 2nd is 9, so the LCM of 16 and 18 is 144. Now let's go ahead and try the same for 72 and 54. Now if I lost you on this prime factorization tree, you may want to review the video that goes over how to do this. So for 72, we'll start with 8 times 9, and 4 times 2, and 2 times 2, and 9 is 3 times 3. So to keep track of all these, we have 1, 2, 3 factors of 2 and 2 factors of 3 for 72. For 54, let's start with 9 times 6, 3 times 3, and 2 times 3. So we have 1 factor of 2 and 3 factors of 3. Let's go ahead and list them again. For 72, we have 1, 2, 3 2s and 2 3s. And for 54, we have 1, 2, and 3 3s. So to build the LCM, we're going to have factors of 2 and again factors of 3. And now we'll determine the most number of times these factors occur in either list. Notice there are 3 factors of 2 here and only 1 factor of 2 here. So we'll need 3 factors of 2 in the LCM. So we'll raise 2 to the 3rd power. And now let's look at the factors of 3. There's 2 here and 3 here. So we take the most number of times it occurs. It occurs 3 times here. So the LCM must contain the factor of 3 to the 3rd. So here we have 2 to the 3rd, which is 8, times 3 to the 3rd, which is 27. And 8 times 27 is equal to 216. So 216 is the smallest number that's a multiple of both 72 and 54, which is called the LCM.